Hey everyone, this is week 4, late week 4, going into week 5, and um, this these videos are usually a week later than the actual portion of what I'm already doing. So initial week 4 was supposed to be just writing the treatment, and then week 5 is supposed to be writing the 40 beats. I'm already doing the 40 beats, but I had a problem trying to find out where goes where. So I kind of developed my own little cheat sheet for this very thing. Basically, I just watched a movie that with a similar plot premise, and I wrote scene for scene what was happening by minute, or by groups of minutes. So, for example, 0 to 3 minutes was the opening. 3 minutes to 7 minute mark was this was happening, and it would just be shorthand. I wouldn't even write the character names. It'll just be CH1 or CH2, which is character 1, character 2, introduction, or minute 7 to 6 to 7, supporting character. So I would put sup CH1, sup CH2, supporting character introduction, supporting character 2 introduction, something like that. It would just be a shorthand of exactly what was happening. And I found most of the time that beat would follow the Save the Cat beat sheet pretty exacting, even down to the minute where this was supposed to happen. A majority of movies were within that range of things that were happening. So if you were having a problem, watch another movie, just do that. And I like having a handwritten guide for myself, mostly because if you're handwriting things as it's happening, you can retain that much easier than if you weren't, than if you were just watching. Because you don't, when you're watching something, you don't know what's happening at that minute, at this minute mark, at this minute mark. But when you're constantly writing down exactly what was happening at that moment, you will know. And this has helped me kind of form my own, form my beats for this feature. So again, if you guys are having a problem, hopefully that can help you. Next week is going to be the actual transitioning to the screenwriting portion, and I'll talk next week about the program that I prefer using and how I kind of transition that beat sheet to the program. And a lot of times, just as a forward or something, I don't usually like writing directly on the program. I'll usually translate it on just a Word document, just so I can start writing, because I don't care about the format at that point in time. I just want to translate exactly what's on the beat sheet to the some semblance of a screenwriting format. I find Word program, just the basic Microsoft Word program, to be a lot more intuitive for me. I don't have to worry about. I don't want to have to worry about interior, exteriors, and all that. I just want to write the scene and then move on. And then once I get that done, I will transition to the screenwriting, to the actual program. So again, hopefully that little tip helps you in any way. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask. But thanks again for hanging out. You guys have a great day.